Find the measure of angle P and measure of angle R if angle P and angle R are complementary angles. We know that the angles are complementary angles if the sum of their measures is 90 degrees. So we can write equation that measure of angle P plus measure of angle R is 90 degrees. Now we can substitute measure of angle P and measure of angle R by the given expressions. So we have in parentheses 5x plus 7 degrees plus 6x minus 5 degrees is equal 90 degrees. So now let's forget about degrees first. So we will take down the parentheses. We will have 6x and 5x, of course. I will left on the left side expressions with x, and the numbers 7 and 5 I will move to the right. So this is equal 90 minus 7 minus plus 5, of course, because we have negative 5 here. So when we move to the right side will be positive. So we have 11x is equal 90 minus 7 is 80. 3 plus 5 is 88. Now you will divide both sides by 11. 11 and 11 we can reduce, and we have that x is equal 8. Because 88 divided by 11 is 8. So we found x. Now we can find the measure of angle P is equal 5x plus 7 degrees. So we will substitute x by 8. So we have 5 times 8 plus 7 degrees. So this is equal 5 times x is 40 plus 7, so it's 47 degrees. Next, measure of angle R is given by expression 6x minus 5 degrees. So this is equal 6 times 8. We just substitute x by 8 minus 5 degrees. So this is equal 8 times 6 is 48 minus 5 is 43 degrees. So we found the measures of angle P and R. This is my solution.